So Pakistan need 111 in the 20. On the pads, that goes fine for 4. A little bit of bat. Yes, he's off the mark. Such a cool hitter when he's in form. There's no better sight. It's a monster 6. He was itching to lift the ball in the air. Ngidi is absolutely heartbroken because he felt halfway through that he's in the slot. Anything that is pitched up is going to go absolutely massive. Just a half hit. Just a scoop, nothing more than that. But
the pace on delivery is travelling. Pakistan dealing in boundaries and they are starting to come thick and fast.
Shots in South Africa not too long ago. That is some execution. Just using the pace on offer. And he's taking a real liking to O'Neill Bartman here this evening.
Look at the pace O'Neill Bartman is bowled at.
The T20 contest. But this is some bounce back. They'd have learned a lot in the first T20 international by the way South Africa had approached their bowling innings.